If you're looking to diversify your investments, then real estate is your golden ticket. In this video by Money Smart Basics, you will learn how strategic property investments can yield high returns and stable cash flow. Don't wait, dive into the market today and watch your financial future expand. Please remember to like and subscribe for more videos. Stay to the end to receive a bonus tip. Real estate investing continues to be an attractive avenue for wealth building in 2024. It offers both tangible assets and potential for long-term appreciation. While market conditions fluctuate, the inherent value of real estate remains. Whether you're seeking passive income, portfolio diversification, or long-term growth, real estate can provide unique opportunities. As we navigate the dynamics of 2024, understanding the current market trends is crucial. Interest rates and inflation play significant roles in shaping investment strategies. Additionally, analyzing local market conditions, such as population growth and job markets, is essential for identifying promising opportunities. By staying informed and adapting to the evolving landscape, investors can position themselves for success. Real estate investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a journey that requires patience, knowledge, and careful planning. It's about making informed decisions, mitigating risks, and building a sustainable portfolio over time. This guide will equip you with the essential knowledge and practical tips to embark on your real estate investment journey in 2024. Before diving into the world of real estate investing, it's crucial to establish a solid foundation. Begin by defining your financial goals. Are you aiming for passive income, long-term appreciation, or a combination of both? Next, assess your current financial situation. Determine your budget, credit score, and available funds for a down payment. Once you have a clear understanding of your financial standing, educate yourself about the fundamentals of real estate investing. Read books, attend seminars, and listen to podcasts to gain insights from experienced investors. Familiarize yourself with key concepts such as property valuation, financing options, and rental yield calculations. Knowledge is power in real estate investing. Building a strong network is equally important. Connect with real estate agents, lenders, contractors, and other professionals who can provide valuable guidance and support. Networking can open doors to potential deals, provide expert advice, and help you navigate the complexities of the industry. Remember, real estate investing is not a solo endeavor. One of the most common mistakes novice investors make is having unrealistic expectations. It's crucial to understand that real estate investing is a marathon, not a sprint. While there are opportunities for quick gains, sustainable wealth building in real estate typically requires a long-term perspective. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Patience is key in the world of real estate. Finding the right property, negotiating a favorable deal, and managing tenants can take time. Market fluctuations are inevitable, and it's important to ride out any temporary downturns. Focus on the long-term potential of your investments, rather than short-term market noise. Remember that real estate investing involves inherent risks. Market conditions can change, interest rates can fluctuate, and unexpected expenses can arise. It's essential to diversify your portfolio, conduct thorough due diligence, and have contingency plans in place. By managing risks effectively, you can increase your chances of long-term success. Real estate investing offers a myriad of strategies, each with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Choose a strategy that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Buy and hold involves purchasing properties and holding them for years. Generate passive income through rental income and property appreciation. Fix and flip involves renovating distressed properties and selling them for profit. Wholesalers find discounted properties and assign contracts to investors for a fee. Research and understand each strategy before making a decision. Section 5. Financing your investment. Exploring your options. Securing financing is a critical aspect of real estate investing. You'll likely need to explore financing options to fund your investments. Understanding different types of mortgages is crucial. Conventional mortgages. These are the most common type, offered by banks and lending institutions. They typically require a down payment of 20% or more. FHA loans. FHA loans are designed to make homeownership more accessible. They require lower down payments and credit scores. VA loans. VA loans offer favorable terms, including zero down payment options. Explore alternative financing options such as private loans, hard money loans, and partnerships. Section 6. The art of finding the right property. Finding the right property is paramount to your success as a real estate investor. It's essential to approach property hunting with a strategic mindset and a keen eye for value. Start by defining your investment criteria, considering factors such as location, property type, and potential return on investment. Leverage technology and resources available to streamline your property search. Online real estate portals, property management software, and local MLS listings can provide valuable insights into available properties, market trends, and pricing data. Networking with real estate agents and other investors can also alert you to off-market deals. When evaluating properties, look beyond the superficial. Consider the property's condition, potential for appreciation, and income-generating potential. Factor in expenses such as property taxes, insurance, and potential repairs. A thorough analysis will help you make informed investment decisions. Section 7. Due diligence, avoiding costly mistakes. Due diligence is an indispensable step in the real estate investment process. It involves conducting thorough research and inspections to uncover any potential risks or hidden problems with a property before closing the deal. Neglecting due diligence can lead to costly mistakes and erode your investment returns. Engage qualified professionals to assist with the due diligence process. A licensed home inspector will thoroughly examine the property's structural integrity, identifying any necessary repairs or potential hazards. A real estate attorney can review contracts, title documents, and other legal aspects of the transaction, ensuring a smooth and legally sound closing. In addition to professional inspections, conduct your own independent research. Review property records, research the neighborhood's crime rates and school districts, and assess the local rental market. Gather as much information as possible to make an informed investment decision. Negotiation is a crucial skill for any real estate investor. Whether you're buying or selling a property, the ability to negotiate effectively can significantly impact your profitability. Approach negotiations with a win-win mindset, aiming for a fair deal that benefits both parties involved. Before entering into negotiations, thoroughly research comparable properties in the area to determine a fair market value. Understand your walkaway point, the price at which you're no longer willing to negotiate. Be prepared to walk away from a deal if the seller is unwilling to meet your terms. Effective communication is paramount during negotiations. Listen attentively to the other party, understand their motivations, and clearly articulate your needs and expectations. Maintain a professional demeanor throughout the process, even in the face of challenging situations. Property management is an integral aspect of real estate investing, encompassing tasks such as tenant screening, rent collection, property maintenance, and handling tenant issues. As a real estate investor, you have the option to manage your properties yourself or hire a professional property management company. Self-management offers the advantage of cost savings but requires significant time, effort, and expertise. You'll be responsible for all aspects of property management, including handling tenant inquiries, addressing maintenance requests, and enforcing lease agreements. This option is best suited for investors with ample time and a hands-on approach. Hiring a property management company alleviates the day-to-day responsibilities of property ownership, freeing up your time and providing peace of mind. Property managers handle tenant screening, rent collection, maintenance coordination, and legal compliance on your behalf. However, this convenience comes at a cost, typically a percentage of the monthly rental income. Real estate investing offers numerous tax advantages that can enhance your returns. Understanding these tax benefits can significantly impact your overall profitability. Consult with a qualified tax advisor to ensure compliance with all applicable tax laws. One significant tax benefit is depreciation. You can deduct a portion of the property's value each year to offset rental income. This reduces your taxable income, lowering your tax liability. Embarking on a real estate investing journey is an exciting endeavor that can lead to financial freedom and long-term wealth accumulation. By following the steps outlined in this guide, setting realistic expectations, conducting thorough due diligence, and making informed decisions, you can navigate the complexities of the real estate market and position yourself for success. Remember that real estate investing is not a passive endeavor. It requires dedication, ongoing education, and a willingness to adapt to changing market conditions. Stay informed about market trends, network with industry professionals, and continuously seek to expand your knowledge. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make sound investment decisions. Embrace the journey and enjoy the rewards that real estate investing can bring. With careful planning, perseverance, and a long-term perspective, you can achieve your financial goals and secure your financial future through the power of real estate. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promise. Want to make your mark in real estate investment? Listen up for a quick tip. Focus on location, location, and location. Whether it's a bustling city or a growing suburb, picking the right spot can make or break your investment. Do your homework and watch your portfolio grow.
Please don't forget, like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics video. Disclaimer, the content provided on this channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only. The information presented is intended to be general in nature and should not be construed as professional financial advice.